Hello guys! Welcome back to Cao 2025. Today, we are diving into FLUX.1 Kontext. Forget everything you know about old stable diffusion checkpoints. This is the groundbreaking model that gives you SDXL-level quality and consistency, but requires only a fraction of the steps. Now, let's be honest. While it's engineered for speed, the open-weight version can be a bit slower on certain GPUs, especially the first time you run it. But the quality payoff and contextual understanding are absolutely worth the setup time. We're going from a blank canvas to generating mind-blowing images in ComfyUI. Let's get started. First things first, we need the files. All direct links are in the description below. Pay attention to the folder paths. Model 1, the core brain. We are using the highly compressed FP8 version of the FLUX.1 Kontext dev model. We use FP8 because this is a 12 billion parameter model, and this quantization helps maximize our VRAM and improve generation time. Download it and save it right here. ComfyUI/models/diffusion models. Model 2, the dual clip text encoders. Flux secret sauce is using two language models for unmatched context. You need the standard clip L.SAFF tensor and the massive T5 encoder, T5 XXL FP8 E4 M3 FN scale.SAFF tensors. Drop both of these into ComfyUI/models/text encoders. Model 3, the translator, or VAE. This converts the compressed data into your final image. Download the E.SAFF tensors and save it to ComfyUI/models/VAE. Got those three? Perfect. Now let's build the workflow. FLUX.1 Kontext's real superpower is image editing, but it excels at text-to-image generation, which is our focus today. This first video sets the foundation. In the next episode, we will master its true power, context-aware image editing. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. Now, open your ComfyUI and let's start the build. Add the load diffusion model node and select our new Flux FP8 file. Add the dual clip loader node. This is a Flux requirement. Select clip L for the first clip and T5 XXL for the second. This combination gives it superior language understanding. Z-type as Flux. Add the load VAE node and select AE.SAFF tensors. Models loaded. Now for the control elements. Next, add clip text encode node for prompting. Connect the dual clip loader to this node. Then add FluxGuidance node. This node will decide how strong its follow your positive prompt. 1 to 3 will usually give more creative freedom, while larger than 5 will make it more strict to the prompt. We set it to 2.5 here. Connect the prompt to this node. Then add conditioning 0 out node, connect the prompt to this node. This will make the prompt blank and we're going to use it as negative prompt later. Let's create our starting canvas with the empty SD3 latent node. Flux uses the 16-channel structure, so this node is mandatory. Set your desired width and height. 1024 x 1024 is the recommended starting point. Finally, the K-sampler engine. Connect the load diffusion model output to the K-sampler's model input. Connect the FluxGuidance output to the positive input. Connect the conditioning 0 out output to the negative input. Connect the empty SD3 latent output to the latent input. Crucial settings: set the K-sampler CFG to exactly 1.0. Because Flux is guidance distilled, the CFG should always be 1.0. Set the steps to at least 20 or even 30 for better quality, though you can experiment with lower steps later. Connect the K-sampler's latent output to the VAE decode node. This is our final step, converting the compressed data into a beautiful, viewable pixel image. Connect the VAE decode output to a preview image node. Hit Q prompt. As you can see, the first generation on my 4060 Ti took about 45 seconds, not instantaneous, but considering this model has 12 billion parameters, and we are getting this level of photorealistic quality, that's a fantastic trade-off. The subsequent generations will be faster, taking me around 30 to 35 seconds per image. Here are a few more high-quality examples. That's it! You have successfully set up and run the most powerful new model in ComfyUI. You now have access to SDXL-level quality with incredible contextual control. If this guide helped you set up your workflow, please smash that like button. It helps me reach more AI enthusiasts. And seriously, you need to see the next video. It's where we unlock the true potential of FLUX.1 Kontext, image editing, character consistency, and style transfer. Subscribe to Cao 2025 so you don't miss the next episode, and have a nice day.